Today I shall give you a few pointers on how to boost your immunity by dietary modifications. A well balanced diet consisting of a range of vitamins and minerals most effectively primes the body to fight infections, diseases, and helps in strengthening the immune system. For that, including a variety of unprocessed foods and nutrients in your diet is essential. So, instead of focusing on just one or two components in large quantities, the more colorful you make your plate with a variety of choices, the better. Nutrients are the building blocks of the body, and when consumed on a regular basis in proper amounts, they can help in achieving a toughened immune system. Out of the many, the best immunity boosters are vitamins like vitamin D, C, A, B, E, K, minerals like zinc, selenium, iron, copper, etc., and antioxidants, which should be incorporated in diet. So, to make this possible, superfoods that help to strengthen the immune system should be partaken on a daily basis. I don't wish to wear your patience by telling you that this vitamin is present in this eatable or what you have to eat more or for that matter less. Due to their complex nutritional profiles, it's difficult to understand which food products are good and in what quantities. That's where I step in. I will share these secrets with you in a simplified manner and inform you about those eatables which, if added to your regular meals, shall suffice to provide approximately all essential nutrients and keep your immune system strong and healthy. You know, healthy foods contain mixtures of many substances, including vitamins and minerals, which keep us strong. Let's begin by discussing about some of those here. First, I come to citrus fruits. Immune boosting vitamins like vitamin C intake can be increased by eating citrus fruits. Almost all citrus fruits are high in vitamin C, which is known to increase the production of white blood cells that are essential to fight infections. Common citrus fruits include grapefruit, oranges, tangerines, lemons, limes, amla, and so forth. Since your body doesn't produce or store vitamin C, you need daily intake of the same to maintain your health.